Even Shinchan can be a graphic editor, image editor, or maybe a photographer. And that is what exactly Google's Whisk help you to do. Drag images, skip prompts, and visual remix. You can do anything by just one-liner text prompt. And how to do that is what me and Shinchan is going to be helping you understand that. So this is Google's Whisk, which is another experimental tool provided by Google AI Studio. And basically, this has gone more ahead than not just generating images through Nano Banana, but it can actually use images for references, it can use locations for references, it can use specific styles for references and whatnot. So that's exactly what we are going to be understanding in this particular video. So on the left side, you can do your prompting, you can upload your image for references. You can also do that over here as well, where you can just type a simple prompt and it is going to be go ahead and do the things for you. So for now, Shinchan sitting in Banaras, India. So I've just given that prompt and let's see what output it is going to be giving us. So there you go. In just a minute of seconds, it has provided that output to us. But now let's see if you want to use your own image. So for example, I'll be using my own image over here. Okay, so I've just uploaded my image. On the left side, you can see it is analyzing my image. And once the image is analyzed, I'm going to be going ahead and add the prompt over here. You can, on the left side, you can see a pencil icon over here. There also you can use your prompt over there, put in your prompt, or you can also enter your prompt over here. So for now, I'll be using this. Make me sit on my cart. And there you go, you can see over here it has generated the image exactly the same, using the same outfit and everything, the hairstyle, outfit, everything same. It has provided the output like that. And now in case you want to use this particular image and change the scene, so all you have to do is just do the drag and drop. So here you can use it for the references of the scenes. So for example, if you want to change the location, you can do that from here. Let's say, and one more thing, if you want to use this image, so you just drag and drop. It's gonna be analyzing the image as a scene. And now if you don't want to use your image and you just want to continue using the second image, make sure your image is ticked on. And if you want to club both the images, you can just make sure you are picking both the images. And now you can also enter your prompt over here. Make both of them sit on Japan, Tokyo. And now you can see it has generated the image and both of us sitting in Japan, Tokyo. Again, seems like some cart in Japan, but yeah, so that's how. And now if you want to have specific style in this image, and for example, if you want to refer to any specific like bouquet effect or lightning effect, anything, like if you are from photography background, every photography background will have their specifics. There are multiple famous styles based on the famous photographers. So out of that, I'll be using any of this. So just gonna use this Steve McCurry style image. I just gonna use that. Okay, so that is Steve McCurry style image, basically more zoomed in, and the bouquet effect is what this style is all about. And now what I'll do is I'll just use both these images along with the style over here. I'll just drag and drop. What I'm saying is use both the images and include these images in this particular style which I've just provided, and that is why I just dragged and dropped. And now I'm gonna again give a prompt, and now you can see it has provided the output over here, and it has done a little screw up, like it has not taken references from the images. I'll just again do the prompting here. Make both of them sit and watch Jan. So now you can see this particular style it is adapting over here. You can see the lighting changes from this image to this image. Obviously the iteration can be done, but my point over here is you can actually have multiple options and you can involve multiple things over here. You can change the ratio as well. You can actually do the dice thing as well. And here is the main thing: if you toggle this off, you are giving it more free hand, the AI will do it stuffs on its own. And if you toggle this on, it is going to be more sticking around to what you are prompting. And this is how amazing it is to create anything and everything. This is going more ahead than just using Nano Banana to generate images.